Ever hate not being seen in the dark while you're riding your e-skate, your ESC, or your scooter? Well, these lights are going to help you be seen at night. Let's get it unboxed. Alright guys, welcome back. First and foremost, I want to thank ShredLights for sending me a set of their SLFX Plus lighting system to use and unbox and review for the channel. I do need an unboxing knife for this, or not, or we can use our spare key that we found in our pockets to get this unboxed. Pretty simple packaging. We have a USB-C charging cable. So I'm a little confused because it's 2 lights, 1 cable to charge. When my pit zooms came, it had 4 lights and it had 1 proprietary cable with 4 USB-Cs. That would have been nice to use, so I don't have to charge one or the other. I could choose to charge both at the same time. That would have been a perfect USB-C. Now this USB is, I can actually use the 4-to-1 USB-C to charge both of these. So basically it comes with the mount, and it has this little push tab right here. So you push down and then the light should just slide right out, and then this would mount, focus, on your PEV of your choice, whether it's a EUC, e-skate, or a e-bike. So we're gonna mount this on our electric unicycle and see how it looks in the dark. And then these are Bluetooth devices, so they connect to the app and they're on and off automatically, which should save the battery. But I think you could turn off that function, and we'll see how long it lasts. Right now it doesn't have the hours you need in the box. You'd just have to find out whether or not they last as long. But also we could read the instruction manuals. It does come with 2 extra 3M tape, and these are the VHB tape, so they're more resistant to coming off, so your lights are gonna be perfectly secured to an area where you put it. Just make sure you clean your area before placing these lights on your EUC or PEV. Now let's look at the instructions we have in the box. Alright, so you could pair up to 4 items or 4 lights at the same time. In order to do so, you just have to press and hold the Bluetooth button, and then that would pair to your phone, and then you could actually make groups on your phone itself. So if you just want if you want both of them to turn on at the same time, you just turn on the group and both of them will turn on. But you could also do separate colors on each one, or like different patterns as well, or different modes. And they do pair with other ShredLights, so they do pair with the headlight module, so you can have you know, underlight kit on your pedals, and maybe have the headlights in the front, and you can create a group to have them all at the same time turn on when you're ready to ride. We're gonna get this thing set up. We're gonna download the app, set it all up, and then put it on our EUC, and let's go for a ride. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and install our ShredLights onto our electric unicycle. What we're gonna need is a bottle of isopropyl alcohol, and just a rag, and of course your mounts. Now you want to pick a pretty even surface. This actually doesn't have one, except for maybe right here. This is gonna get all of the tape on it, so which is gonna make of a very secure mounting. It's gonna secure it it's gonna mount it very secure. So we're gonna first clean off our surface. We're gonna spray a little bit on the rag and clean off the surface of any dirt. This is a fairly new unicycle. So, and then we're gonna just take the backing off the tape and then place it to have all the surface space, and you're gonna press and hold and add as much pressure as you can onto the thing for about like 25 to 30 seconds. Okay. And of course, after that, you want to make sure it's not in the way of anything else and keep pressing. And then you're going to leave the light off for about 24 hours. So you make sure that this thing has the max bondage and like stickiness, so that your mount or your light doesn't fall off, even if you're doing like extreme stairs or extreme jumps and stuff. So we're gonna do the other side. Let's go for a night ride, shall we?